How to plant Aji Rico hot pepper. If you are a beginner to gardening, you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. And so let me show you how to plant Aji Rico hot pepper step by step. And let's dive right in. So this is how the Aji Rico or Aji Rico hot pepper looks like. It looks so fresh, the color is so green and dark. And this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. And let's see. So it says Aji Rico hot pepper, crunchy, citrusy, medium hot, 3 to 4 peppers, green in 50 days, red ripe in 70 days. Okay, so it takes 50 to 70 days to have it ripen. And how to grow it: plant in full sun, 24 to 36 inch, 61 to 91 centimeter apart in rows. So if you are planting this in a ground, that's how you go by. Okay, so now let's plant this. All we have to do is make a little hole in the middle here. And if you want to know what soil this is, the gardening soil that I'm using, you can watch the other videos. It shows you what type of soil this is, gardening soil this is, and how to mix it before you start planting or growing your herbs or your plants or whatever it is that you want to plant. So let me dig this a little bit deeper because it's a little wider. Okay, so that, and then the next thing we do is remove this. Be careful, if this is not wet, try to pry the sides before you remove it. But if you try to pull too much on it, you can break the stem, and you don't want to do that. So we remove this, and then you can see how healthy this is. And we are just going to replant this. So we are putting this right in here in the center. And we are just going to bring the soil on top, and we push down on it. Use your 2 thumbs, here, these 2 fingers. Push down on it like that. Bring more soil and push down on that. Alright, so this soil is already wet. When it comes in the bag, it's already wet. So, but I'm going to give it a little water just to help with the growth quickly. So you can see it won't take long, then it will start coming up. So let's give it a water. So give it water, and this will help with the process. If you want to join the gardening family, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions for me, please leave in the comment section below. If you have any ideas in types of soil you use or anything, please leave it in the comment section below for me. If this video will help somebody, please share with friends and family or anybody who is trying to start gardening or a beginner to gardening. And this should be enough. Make sure this is all clean up. There is no mess on them. Alright, so we are done with the water. This should be enough. Okay, so with that, we are just going to put this down and then let the growing process start. Now I'm going to show you how to plant the next thing, how to plant onions. So let's dive right in. And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant in a container? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next planting. I hope you have fun as you start. Share anything you are doing with us.